Hi, I'm Heidi with the Utility Supply Group. Here at USG, we are the premier supplier of electrical products and components for the outdoor hospitality industry. But that is just the beginning. Now that USG is part of RexelUSA, we have access to 1.6 million products and can ship from over 400 locations throughout North America. Everything we do at USG is focused on the needs of our customers. We offer the highest quality products, including Heritage, our exclusive brand of pedestals and surface mount boxes. At USG, we understand the unique needs of property owners and managers and can provide you with expert advice to help you choose the correct electrical equipment for your park. Utility Supply Group. We are the industry experts for electrical supplies. Let us know how we can help you today.